Hey everybody, this is Lynette with The Skin Candy. Wanted to bring you along today on one of our brand new soaps for the new year. By the way, happy holidays, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. 2021 is going to be great, I just know it. So what we've got here is, I've already mixed my oils in, and I've mixed a couple of tablespoons of kale and clay and a couple of tablespoons of colloidal oats. I like it in my bars. It adds slip and it is great gentle exfoliator and adds a lot of moisture, I feel, to the soaps. So I've gone ahead and I've mixed that up. This is my lye water. My lye solution consists of distilled water, sodium hydroxide, tussa silk, and sodium lactate. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to add that to my soap. Oops. Already catastrophe. I'm just going to pour this down the shaft of the stick blender. That helps so that it doesn't cause any splashing. And now we're just going to mix it up. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to be separating this off. Let me pull this down just a little bit. I'm going to be doing 3 colors. I'm going to be doing a green and a gold. I need a little bit more green. Let me do a little bit more gold for the gold. And then some titanium dioxide for white. Get that out of the way. So for the green, I'm going to be using Let Us Entertain You by Mad Micas. And I don't want this very dark, so I'm just going to add a couple of heaping scoops. For the gold, I'm going to be using Goldfinger by Mad Micas. Again, just a couple of heaping scoops. And then the white, of course, is just going to be some titanium dioxide mixed with water. Alright, now I'm just going to mix this in, starting from lightest to darkest. To the side in my pot of water, and then I'm just going to do a drop swirl. So make sure I've got everything in there. So I'm going to start low and go high. So that's going to drop that down to the bottom. And then I'm just going to leave a little bit to put on the top. I'm going to stop really fast and I'm going to pound this on the floor. So what I've done is I just took some of the extras, and I'm going to try to clean this out. I probably got a little bit too much on there, but that's okay. We will make do. Go back and forth a little bit, kind of combine these a little bit. I actually had some gold mica as a drizzle. I don't know if I'm going to add that or not. I think it might be too much. We'll see. So I'm just going to do a figure 8 swirl. Can you see that okay? Yeah. This smells so good. Okay, just wanted to get the air bubbles out of there. This is a gold mica called Solar System, and this is from Nurture Soap. I'm just going to go and just cover the top of this. I love glitter. So, here's our soap. I'm going to spray it with rubbing alcohol. Rubbing alcohol not only helps with ashing. I didn't use any goat's milk or anything in this soap, so you don't have to worry about it heating up too much. But it helps with ashing, but it also helps set the glitter. So if you can see that, look how pretty that turned out. Oh. Okay, now the hard part. Waiting for it to set up, which will be 18 to 24 hours, and we will bring you back here for the cut. Hello again. We are going to unmold this and get this cut. I am so excited to see the inside. It did heat up a little tiny bit and started to crack, so I threw it in the freezer and was able to stop the crack. I don't even know if you can even see that in that picture, but I am so excited. So let's get this taken out. Oh, I love it when it comes off so smooth. The corners come out nice. That's what it looks. There's the side. Oh, we're definitely gonna have to do these colors with a caramel apple scent. This is just what it reminds me of. We chose these colors because we were trying like going for champagne and golds, and pear is, you know, green, and that's what we went with. So let's see what is on the inside. Oh, look at that. There's the top. Love it. Oh, loving this. Loving this. see if this cracked a little bit. No, it did. This is where it started to crack. Don't know if you can see the little crack, but you can't tell that it cracked on the inside. There's the side. Oh, I'm loving this. These will be available in the shop. On our shop release, date is to be determined. We have not decided what date we're going to have all of our soap releases on. Thank you so much for joining me today. Have a lovely day. And we'll see you more in 2021. Bye!